My name is Richard Lewin. I'm the CEO, President and Chairman of the Will-Burt Company. At Eurosatory 2026, we have 4 or 5 different products to show, including our Mast range of products, our integration range of products, electromechanical masts, and our Quadpod masts.
Today I just wanted to show a few of the products we're highlighting this year. This is our Quadpod mast, most commonly used in counter-drone applications. Goes up to 3 meters, 160 kilograms payload capacity. We elevate this mast with pneumatic power, so we're using a hand pump. You can also use a compressor, and then you just lock off each section as it rises. The difference in our mast is probably the level of stability we are able to offer in a field-mounted mast that does not have to be guyed off. And that sets us apart from everybody else. One other area I'd like to point out is our new division called Will-Burt Integration. Will-Burt has been integrating masts with different trailers and vehicles for years, but we now have a specific division in our new factory in Vero Beach, Florida, where we're building all different types of lattice towers and mounting all of our different mast options onto trailers and vehicles and shelters. So it's a very exciting development for us where we're able to offer a lot more customized solutions of all different types. The last item I'd like to point out is our new Stiletto AL HD. This is the 4th generation product line of the Stiletto, and we now offer it in anywhere from 4 to 15 meters. And we can go up to 272 kilograms payload capacity. This is by far and away the world's most stable, accurate platform for a telescoping mast.